Hi guys, I'm K9 Kerner in Austin here, and today I am going to open this box. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh my gosh! Look at what I got! I got the reindeer. Yep, I got a musical reindeer. It has antlers with lights on it. Here it is. I got the reindeer. He's really cute. So I'm gonna go change his batteries and see if he works. Here we go. I change his batteries and he works perfectly. Here we go. He works perfectly. His antlers light up. He plays Jingle Bells. Here it is. So goodbye and have a great day.